Cute bunny projects are my favorites, and that includes making some fun bunny pillows. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below, and you can follow along with the step-by-step instructions. So we'll start by prepping the ears. Apply interfacing to 2 of the bunny ears. Then you want to sew the bunny ears to the lining with right sides together. Sew the 2 sets of bunny ears all the way around the perimeter. Then you want to clip the curves and turn the ears to the right side. Fold the base of the bunny ears and baste the ends. This will create that 3-dimensional shape for our bunny ears. After basting, cut off the fabric that extends past the base on the back. Baste the ears to the top of one of the pillow pieces. Now you want to sandwich the ears between the 2 pillow pieces and sew them together with right sides together. Make sure to leave a little gap on the bottom so that you'll be able to turn it to the right side. Once sewn, turn the pillow right side out. Then you want to stuff the pillow and sew up the gap. You can use whatever you want to stuff your pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps that are too small to use for anything else, but this does make the final pillow more lumpy than it otherwise would be. So if you don't like that, you can always use polyfill or some other type of more traditional pillow stuffing material. Now all you have to do is sew a little white pom-pom for the tail. And you've got your finished bunny butt pillow.